How to upload photo to email from phone. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to upload photo to email from phone. So in order to upload photo to email from phone, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So for that case, you have to go ahead and make sure to update your application. So for that, head over to your Play Store and then on the search box type in Gmail. And when you locate the following application, then update the application. If the application is completely updated, then click the open button and then log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, then click the compose button from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen, and then you can type in the information of the receiver and subject. Once done entering all of these information, click the paperclip icon from the top right, select for the file or the folder from where you actually want to attach or upload the photos. And when you do that, you need to go ahead and select the one, and after that click the arrow icon from the top right hand side corner. As soon as you've done that, you've successfully uploaded photo to email from phone. So that's how you can upload photo to email from phone. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.